What up, Mr. Hip Hop Vegan coming with another video. And like I said, my message for you guys is my purpose in life is to serve 1 billion people through meditation and yogi sciences. However, right now I'm on my minimalism thing. I'm getting closer and closer. Right now this table's a mess. That side of the room is a mess, but let me show you what I'm excited about. The books are gone. This corner is gone. I still got these shoes are all going on eBay. They're already on eBay. That corner I gotta just vacuum. I want to get like that table is a Walmart table and it's whack. That is a gun that I keep by my side, but side of the bed, that's a different story. I keep a light because in these apartments it seems like the lights go off a lot, so just in case I got that. But I want to get rid of that table and get like a nice wooden table, wooden table. That's a cheap Walmart table, and as you can tell, it's cheap. It actually destroys itself because it doesn't go anywhere. Now that side is a mess. That is all gonna get cleaned up today. That's my little, that's my light up there. But that over there is like my little altar. People who passed away. That's all gonna get fixed and stuff like that. But it's almost there. I gotta get a vacuum, clean the carpets. That jacket that's on the side of the mirror, that's like a sweatsuit jacket. So I just sit it up there so it can dry, and then I put it away. Also my pull-up bar, that sweater too. I used it to go work out today, and it's all sweaty. And then this section right here, I put my water here, but this all gotta get cleaned up. And this table right here, I want to get rid of this table, get like a standing smaller table, and then get that fixed. And yeah, that's my little computer setup. This is I'm eating. I got me that Beyond fake sausage stuff. I'm already tired of it. And then I got some cauliflower. I love cauliflower. That's the shit. But yeah, that I have to make a video about that Beyond meat. And then I just gotta get rid of more stuff, and I'm almost there. This is actually exciting. This is like getting rid of stuff, and everything is just, I'm not worried about money. I'm not worried about the next thing I want to buy. Little by little, this room is gonna be a little bit empty. I am gonna get like a bedroom set, maybe. I'm still thinking about it, and I do want like a nice painting up there. But that's it. Everything else, get this table smaller, put it up. And then I can have like a more bigger space to do yoga. Maybe make my meditation section right here. Switch my altar to this side. Something, just little by little get things done. But yeah, this is my section. Or either just do yoga on that side. So I just want to give you a minimalism update. It's still a little bit messy. Don't worry about it. Little by little. Like I said, it's gonna take 6 months. But like in a month, everything is going. So now, out of all the books I kept, I just kept a very few, like 2 totes of books. And little by little, I get rid of them. But these are my favorite books that I wanted to keep. So I minimized from like 600 to 700 books down to like 100 books. And I'm happy about that. So, and the thing is, if I want the books back, I'll go get them. But it's not that serious. That's my update, guys. Let me know how your minimalism journey is going. If you make videos, put your channel on the bottom so I can watch your videos also. Show love, share the video, subscribe, share. If you do the minimalism thing, just write in my comment section and just tell me that you make videos about minimalism, and I go watch your videos and show love on your side. Cause that's what this is about, showing love and stuff like that. I'm not better than you, you're not better than me. Sometimes just more people are valued to other people. That's it at the end of the day. But as human beings, we are all valuable to Earth. But to some people are unvaluable depending on what they can do for them. So become more value to people, serve more people. Now, don't get taken advantage of, but serve more people. Like I said, give without receiving, and then you'll be great. Once you start giving, like I said, I think what I was trying to say is, as far as my favorite quote, I have it written: give without remembering and receive without forgetting. That's my favorite quote of all time. I usually used to say it to myself all the time, but I'd be forgetting every now and then. But other than that, like I said, remember, give without remembering and receive without forgetting. Peace.